Hi, this is Tekkies, and today we've got a fun video. We're going to show the new Sabrebt Rocket Nvme 4.0 drive with and without a heatsink, seeing if it's all marketing BS or if there's actual performance gains. Okay, so we have the SSD itself. Comes in a nice, what appears to be metal container.
No, he refuses to throw it.
Drive, not heatsink. And the heatsink comes in this box. Comes with the accessories.
Screws too, extra screws in there?
Well, no, those are...
Oh, for the heatsink.
Yeah, I don't think they give you any extras. Now the cooler itself has what at least appear to be very tiny heat pipes. We'll see if those are real or not. And we'll get back when it's installed. Alright, we got the drive in there now. Time to boot it up and test it.